Hello everyone, welcome to Drawliper channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to add emergency contact in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here scroll down, then go to safety and emergency. From here tap on emergency contacts. Now from here first you have to enable show on lock screen option. Then tap on add emergency contact. Now from here choose any contact as you want. If I select this, then tap on done. Now you can see emergency contact has been added successfully. Now if I lock my device, now if I swipe for unlock, here you can see emergency call option, then tap on it. Here you can see the emergency contact. You can call this number even if your phone is locked. And that is how you can add emergency contact in your Samsung Galaxy A25 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.